How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do the power reset on your SteelSeries Arctic. Now it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, the Arctic will look something like this. So what you want to do is to go ahead and actually remove the padding first of your Arctic headphones. So it's going to be this one because the reset button is underneath this padding right here. So just remove the padding and it will look something like this. You will be able to find this hole. So you want to go ahead and try the left side first. And if it's not on the left side, you then want to try the right side. Of course, you could just press the button with an actual paper clip, maybe a SIM ejector, anything that fits through this hole. Press it for around 3 seconds. And from there, this will then force reset the SteelSeries Arctic headphones. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.